Guys, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Hey, I couldn't let Jen have all the fun today. You know, so I'm going to do my own thing today, do something different, something fun for you guys. Just look down here and see what we got going on. We got fresh garden tomatoes. We got this delicious basil out of our garden. We got some fresh mozzarella. We got some bruschetta. Because that's what we're making today. We're making a Caprese Bruschetta. And when you do that, you gotta have some balsamic vinegar. We're gonna fix that up with some olive oil, salt, pepper. That's next on Cooking with Corey. All right, to get the party started, we got some garden fresh tomatoes that I have already started to cut into one. And you just wanna make some small chunks, like so. Doesn't have to be perfect. We got our fresh mozzarella here. Same thing, we're just making some smaller chunks. Like that. I'm going to take that down there like that. Small chunks. And then we are going to take our delicious basil here. And what we're going to do with our fresh basil is we're going to julienne it. So you take your leaves like this. You roll it up in a nice little pocket like so. Take your knife. So you're making little shreds. Alright, let's make it next. Alright, we're going to plate up our Caprese Bruschetta. Look at that. Deliciously toast bread. Good looking bread, isn't it? Look at that stuff, people. Alright, and to do that, we're going to add our delicious fresh tomatoes on our bruschetta, like so. Put them all over there. We're going to add our delicious mozzarella onto each bruschetta. Piece of bread, bruschetta, whatever you want to call it. And you could definitely melt all this together and it would stick together a little better than the way I'm doing it, but this is all good right there. And we're gonna hit it with our julienne of fresh basil, like so. And then we're gonna hit it with some balsamic vinegar. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of olive oil. And obviously some delicious salt and pepper. And there you guys got a quick, easy Caprese. Again. Check that out, guys. See you next week. Hey Jen, is that a Jen approved right there?
Well, it sure is. This is one of my favorites and it came out great.
Jen approved. Look at that deliciousness right there. Obviously you can melt that stuff on top so it's not as messy.